I got my routers unlocked and now I'm using my iPhone. Cheers.
I love it. Thank you, SIM Unlock phone team. You guys are the best. I am so happy you guys absolutely made my day by unlocking my phone. It was really quick, really easy. I love it. I love it. I love it. I wish that I could give you guys more than 5 stars. You guys are awesome. God bless you guys, and thank you. I love you all.
I found out about SIM Unlock phone via YouTube video, and it's about the easiest way to SIM unlock a Samsung Galaxy. So, I understood that it would take up to 15 business days or so, but listen, I only waited for just a few days to talk to them via email to see the frequency of their support line. And yes, they do respond, and they respond pretty quick, indicating a legitimacy in the service. Now, I've tried it for a few times and still the same result. They respond fast and frequently, so I just waited patiently, and I think around 11 to 12 days later, my iPhone SE is SIM unlocked.
What is going on, guys? Drake here with SIM Unlock Phone, official YouTube channel, and in today's video we have a tutorial for you guys for how to unlock your iPhone on Sprint network. So if you have an iPhone that is locked to Sprint's network, follow the steps in this video if you are going to want to unlock that. Let's get right into the video. So to begin, the first thing that we're going to want to do is find our 15-digit IMEI number. This is very simple. Go to your settings, and then general, and about, and then you can scroll down and you'll find it right here. Again, it's a 15-digit number and you don't need the spaces, so you can just copy and paste it, write it down somewhere that you can read it from later. And that's all that we're going to want to do on the phone now. And if you have a computer, then now would be the time to switch to that. In the description below. But once we get to our website here, we're going to click shop, and then we're going to find the Sprint iPhone Unlock. So after we find the Sprint IMEI Unlock, we're going to enter in the model, the IMEI of the phone, as well as the status of the phone. Enter in all 3 of these things and then complete checkout. Within 5 to 10 days, you will receive an email from SIM Unlock Phone saying that your unlock is ready. Complete these last few tips and then the unlock tutorial will be complete. So on the phone that you're using here, all that you're going to want to do is switch off the SIM cards from your current Sprint SIM to any other carrier that you'd like to use the phone with. For example, I'm going to switch from Sprint to T-Mobile here. So we're going to take out the Sprint SIM card and put in one from T-Mobile. And now all you're going to want to do after you put in that new SIM card is let it refresh. It might have a waiting for activation screen. And then restart the phone. You're going to want to connect to Wi-Fi, and then the unlock will be done. You usually won't get any message or anything like that. Or if you want to do it on your computer, all you gotta do is plug it into iTunes, enter in your iTunes password, and then it will complete the unlock by itself. So there's 1 or 2 ways that you guys can finish that. It's up to you, but that is how it's done. Again, guys, this was a tutorial for how to unlock the iPhone. If you did enjoy the video, be sure to leave us a thumbs up and let us know if we did help you guys down below. Thank you for watching, and signing off, this is Drake with SimUnlockPhone.com. Wish to catch you guys in the next video. Peace.